Oh, this is Lori. I wanted to talk to you about some ed tech tools that I use in my class. Today, what I'd like to do is show you how to load a math page or some other working document that you wanted onto Google Classroom, and then use that for working with students using the Zoom annotation. So let me show you. The first thing I have to do is I'm going to share my screen so that you can see what I'm doing. Well, now what I'm going to show you is first we're going to go to the Google Classroom. I have several different Google Classrooms because I teach special education and every student has their own so that I can differentiate their different lessons. They only have access to their own and then this common one. But this common one also is accessible for all my staff. So this is how my staff, being in their homes doing distance learning, are able to easily access some of the materials and work with the students. We send a hard copy home with the students, but we also want to be able to access it electronically. So the first thing I'm going to do is these tabs up here, I'm going to go to classwork. And within the classwork, and remember this is my main website or my main Google Classroom, I can choose to have things loaded onto each student's, but for now, this is one that my staff wants access to. So I'm going to go to the class drive folder. And I've organized these. You can create a new folder and you can organize them by topic. So right now, I'm going to go over here on the left where it says new. And let me get rid of that. I don't know what that is. New. And I'm going to, oh, I don't want that. I already have the folder. Upload file. So that's what I'm going to do. Now, I've saved on my desktop the file that I wanted to upload. So I'm just going to go to there. It's under math. I had to remember where it was. Open. And then this is it. It's Unit 3, Module 1, counting. So I'm going to do that here. And now you can see in the bottom, it's uploading the material. This one has quite a few pages. Oh, looks like it's done. I guess that didn't take very long. So now what I do is I drag and drop this into my file here so that my staff will know where to find it, and it keeps everything neat and tidy. So now, if I open up one of those pages, let's just say we're working on any of them, doesn't matter which one. We open up a page, and then as the staff or myself are sharing the screen with the students, which I'm doing right now, you can annotate on this. So up here where it says annotate, there's all these different features. There's even a button to allow students to annotate things or my other staff at the same time. It's kind of cool. But this is the mouse, so that is where I point to things. I can add a text box if you wanted. You can add a text box right here for numbers. If you wanted to say 10 minus 3, and then I can put the answer there. I can use stamps. I tend to like hearts. So maybe I would use stamps to help a student be able to figure out those touch points. So 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. And then I could even draw, which this is a little tricky for me, but drawing. Whoop, there we go. So that's a good way. Now, you can also clear all drawings. You can redo or undo. You can change the colors. There's the eraser. This helps with things. Maybe I'll erase this here. Oh, it erased both. So anyway, that's a way to load on the document that you wanted on Google Classroom, and then anyone can access it if you have access to that Google Classroom, and then you can use Zoom to annotate So this really helps for some of my students if they need to have support with writing. I can type it or write things out for them. So anyway, thanks for coming along. Bye.